Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on rewinding and fast forwarding TikTok videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The first step to doing this is making sure that your TikTok app is up to date, as this feature is a recent update. To do this, open up the Google Play Store and search for TikTok. Then, if it says open like mine says, you are already up to date and good to go. However, if it says update, then tap that to update your app. Once it's updated, follow the next steps. Open up TikTok and find the video that you would like to fast forward or rewind. Then hold down on this dot moving along the bar at the bottom of the video, and drag it back to rewind it and forward to fast forward. You can also pause the video and then drag the dot to where you want it. This is not an option on all videos, so if you don't see the bar at the bottom, it is not possible to do it. I am not sure whether this is a setting that the person making the video controls, or if it is only possible to do it on longer videos. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.